Southport station, another in the list of stations on Merseyside that I'm going to be visiting this year. Obviously I didn't want to film loads of people, so we took a quieter spot, but this is Southport station. Obviously most of the trains go to Liverpool Central, but there is also trains that go to Wigan and I think Manchester as well. That's one of them. But it's quite a nice station, nice and airy, with shops and a Marks and Spencer's on the concourse. A lovely roof. But it's a nice day today. Today is the 23rd of Feb. Almost the first warmish day we've had this year. It's been quite cold and wet for a long time. There's the train going to Liverpool. Yeah, Southport station, and over there is some lovely Victorian buildings. In a little way it reminds me of Blackpool and Blackpool North round here. I like Blackpool. Right. Anyway, up in Southport for the day, so making the most of me over 60s pass. So I shall head up to the Botanic Gardens later, where I think the crocuses are all out. Little shelter. So children's artwork. Modern meets Merseyrail. 200. Yes, it must be 200 years since the Rainhill trials or something. Well, try to avoid filming people. And the passage up to Chapel Street. Obviously, I don't really want to film people. And here we are. Okay. I'll catch you all later. I head up to Mills Cop as well. Right, take care.